Today we're going to talk about Chicago style stepping, one of the basics. We're going to discuss the up and back basic is what I call it. And there could be another name. If you know another name for this, pop it in the chat for me because we're all over the country, so everybody may call it something different. But I'm going to call it, for the sake of this video, the up and back basic. So I'm going to show you first, and then we're going to jump right into the instructions. So I'm going to start with 7-8, 7-8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I'm doing, I am moving up and back. Of course, we know when we start the dance, we're at home. And so we're going to move up and back to home. So 7, we start, of course, we're going to start this dance with 7, 8 to kind of get us started. So 7, 8, then I'm going to take my 1 up, 1, 2, and then slightly back on 3. 3, then home on 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to turn my back. I'm going to give you another angle. See if you can see what I'm doing better from this angle or follow me from this angle. So we're going to start with 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step up. 1, 2, 3. Slightly back on 3. Go back to home on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it from the side angle because that may be more helpful. So we're going to do it also from this side angle. As I state, we're going to start with 7, 8. 7, 8. Step up on 1. Put 2 down. Slightly back on 3. Go back home on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the up and back basic. So now I would like for us to do it with a little music. So we're going to do the up and back basic. We're going to start with 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to turn my back now so we can do it from this angle. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you from this angle. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The thing to remember with this basic that you're always going to come back home. And so when you go up, you're stepping into the dance on 1, 2 down, 3 slightly back, 4 takes you back home, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the up and back basic. Thank you for joining